Hello. I've had my MacBook Pro for a couple of years now, actually about 3 or 4 years, and recently I've had a bit of a problem, which is quite a common problem, with the charger, because this has happened. I think it got twisted or something, so I'm having a look on the internet. Is quite a common problem, and to buy a new charger is about £60. So I was trying to think of other ways of dealing with it. I had a look on YouTube, and there's quite a few videos where people have done really technical things to try and fix it, and I'm not really up to that. So I'm going to try doing a repair with this stuff that I found in B&Q for a £5, and it looks like it's kind of designed for the job, so I'm going to give it a go. Comes in 3 different colours, and it's worth a try, because I think a new cable is about 60 quid. I don't know if I said that before. So I'm going to have a go now at trying to repair it. It's kind of a rubber that sets after about 24 hours. You can mould it for about half an hour before it starts getting solid. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off this excess bit of cable here, if I can. These are my needlework scissors. So you might have something that's a bit more appropriate. Alright, there's no going back now. Ooh, that's it. So I've neatened it up a little bit. I'm wearing gloves because it says that you can have an allergic reaction to it, so I thought it's not worth risking that. So it comes in a sachet here, and it says that if you keep it in the fridge, it will last like 3 times longer. I think it has a shelf life. I can't remember how long the shelf life is. Blah blah blah. I don't know. It doesn't really matter anyway, because I'm going to use it now. I do normally read the instructions. So I've chosen the blue. There's red and yellow as well. Ooh. There you go. So you're supposed to mould it in your fingers until it becomes pliable. Not quite sure how much to use. I'll try. That might be a bit too much actually. And also I'm left-handed, so it's quite smelly. Perhaps I might break off a little bit to start with, and then start sort of putting it on. That's pretty easy, and I think because it's rubber it probably insulates. Well, it does say that it's safe to use with a cable. It's a bit like plasticine, a bit softer. Could probably make it really neat. I don't know if I've used too much, but I guess better safe than sorry. And I should say that my cable actually worked, although it was frayed, it was still working, so it seems a bit of a shame to dump it. I'm going to kind of squidge it a bit. It's a technical term. You can neaten it up with a blade apparently before it actually cures, and you can mess around with it for up to half an hour, but I won't do that. Okay, so there you go. It says that you can use this stuff with other things as well, like sports shoes, make them waterproof, and different repairs, so maybe I might use the rest of it around the house or start getting a bit artistic. But there you go. It's not that pretty, but it might do the job. Okay, thanks. Bye.